food lovers, ready to unlock the secret to creamy, dreamy homemade vanilla ice cream? Buckle up, because we're about to embark on a delicious adventure. Forget store-bought. Making your own ice cream is easier than you think. And the flavor? Out of this world. Get ready for a taste bud explosion that'll have you saying goodbye to store-bought forever. This recipe is perfect for beginners and seasoned pros alike. We'll walk you through each step, ensuring your ice cream turns out smooth, flavorful, and utterly irresistible. So grab your aprons, preheat those smiles, and let's get churning. Before we dive into the fun part, let's gather our delicious ingredients. Don't worry, this isn't a scavenger hunt. You probably already have most of these staples in your kitchen. For this simple yet sensational vanilla ice cream, you'll need 2 cups heavy cream, the backbone of our creamy creation, 1 cup whole milk for a touch of lightness, 3/4 cup granulated sugar, just the right amount of sweetness, 1 teaspoon pure vanilla extract, the star of the show, 1/8 teaspoon fine sea salt to enhance all those lovely flavors, and 5 large egg yolks. These will give our ice cream its luscious texture. See? Told you it was simple. Now that we have our ingredients prepped and ready, let's move on to the exciting part, making the ice cream base. All right, folks, it's time to get cooking. In a medium saucepan, combine the heavy cream, whole milk, and half of our sugar. That's 3/8 cup. Stir it all together and place it over medium heat. We want to warm this mixture up gently, allowing the sugar to dissolve completely. No need to rush. Good things take time. While the cream mixture is warming up on the stove, let's turn our attention to the egg yolks. Separate the yolks from the whites, save those whites for another recipe, and add them to a separate bowl. Add the remaining sugar, 3/8 cup, to the yolks, and whisk them together until the mixture lightens in color and becomes thick, and ribbons form when you lift the whisk. This step is crucial for creating that smooth, velvety texture we all love in ice cream. So whisk away, my friends, whisk away. Section 4. The tempering tango, a delicate dance of heat and flavor. Now comes the slightly tricky part, tempering the egg yolks. Don't worry, it's not as intimidating as it sounds. Remember that warm cream mixture we have on the stove? We're going to slowly drizzle a small amount of it into the egg yolks while whisking constantly. This gradual addition of heat prevents the eggs from scrambling. Once you've incorporated about a cup of the warm cream mixture into the egg yolks, it's time to reverse the process. Pour the tempered egg yolk mixture back into the saucepan with the remaining cream mixture. Stir everything together constantly over medium heat. We're looking for the mixture to thicken slightly, coating the back of a spoon. This step is all about patience and gentle heat. Remember, low and slow wins the race. Section 5. Churn, baby, churn. The road to frozen bliss. Once your ice cream base has thickened and coats the back of a spoon, remove it from the heat and stir in that glorious vanilla extract. Give it a good whisk to ensure the vanilla is evenly distributed throughout the base. Now, we need to cool this mixture down completely before we churn it. Pour the ice cream base through a fine mesh sieve over a large bowl. This will catch any stray bits of cooked egg and ensure a silky smooth texture. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap, pressing it directly onto the surface of the ice cream base to prevent a skin from forming. Pop it in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours, or even better, overnight. After the long wait, it's finally time to churn. Pour your chilled ice cream base into your ice cream maker and churn according to the manufacturer's instructions. This usually takes around 20 to 25 minutes. You'll know it's ready when it resembles soft-serve ice cream. Section 6. Flavor burst and texture tips. Your ice cream, your way. Congratulations, you've made it to the best part, adding your personal touch. While vanilla ice cream is divine on its own, there's always room for a little pizzazz. Feel free to get creative and customize your frozen treat. Want to add some crunch? Fold in chopped nuts, crumbled cookies, or even pretzels during the last few minutes of churning. For a fruity explosion, swirl in your favorite jams, fruit purees, or even chunks of fresh fruit. And of course, you can never go wrong with a generous drizzle of chocolate syrup or caramel sauce. Once you're happy with your flavor combinations, transfer the ice cream to an airtight container and freeze for at least 2 to 3 hours to allow it to harden completely. And there you have it, your very own homemade vanilla ice cream, ready to be scooped, devoured, and enjoyed.